Jared Wolffis here,
and Chris Hayes.
and we have a new and exciting product for you. Home Energy Monitor. Wow. Are you sick of not knowing where your money goes? Tired of being surprised when you open your energy bill? Do you want a better way to track power consumption? Maybe you want to verify the utility company's claims. Then have we got a product for you. A time-varying current in a wire, I, produces a time-varying magnetic field represented by the slinky here as H. A time-varying magnetic field produces a voltage in a coil of wire. The slinky now represents the coil of wire. The magnitude of the current is proportional to the voltage induced at the ends of the coil of wire. The first step is to use a current transformer to get the induced voltage of the current we're trying to measure. Then we take that AC voltage and run it through a full wave rectifier to produce a DC voltage. The next step is to use a microcontroller with an analog to digital input so we can digitize our rectified measurement signal. The next step is to use the microcontroller's UART to send serial data to the PC. The last step is to write a GUI for the PC to do calculations and graph the data. So now that you understand a little bit about the theory and the engineering and design behind the project, Home Energy Monitor, we're going to go ahead and do a little demonstration of the product and its features. The first thing is the current transformer wrapped across the hot wire of the source that we're trying to measure. It has the induced voltage fed through the full wave rectifier into the microprocessor, which does the analog to digital conversion and then sends the sample values to the PC, where they are calculated into power, into watts, and then graphed on the screen. So you might not be able to see right now, but it's currently at 0. There's nothing plugged in, nothing using any power. So I'm going to take this standard hairdryer here, plug it into one of the outlets onto this power strip that we are monitoring, and then when I turn the hairdryer on high, you can watch the graph. Heat. It is now showing about 1150 watts, and if we continue to run this hairdryer for an entire month, it will cost $62.80. When I turn it back off, you can see that the graph jumps back down to 0, and I can turn it on to the low setting. You can see it does not go as high as the high setting. It is now showing 300 watts, and the cost of running the hairdryer at this setting for an entire month is $16.60. This works for any appliance. You can monitor your refrigerator or hook it directly to the hot lines on your house and monitor your entire house's power usage. So now that you've seen how awesome and useful a Home Energy Monitor can be, you might be asking yourself, where can I get such a great product? Unfortunately, the answer is nowhere, as this product is not for sale. However, you can hire the engineers. So I'm Jared Wolffis.
I'm Christopher Hayes.
And here's how to order.